Hey, hello, howdy, ni hao, konnichiwa, salute, bonjour, starova, merhaba. How you doing? Well, I got a package today, and this package, something that I won from inside the mind of Matt. Hey, Matt, the package came on. You had a choice of a few colors. Unfortunately, there was no dark purple, unfortunately, but a nice color of blue. A nice color of blue. PLA 175 millimeter, temperature 195 to 215. This thing is sealed. Hardly ever seen a roll of filament that was sealed this well. Dust pack in the middle. Everything is perfect. Thank you, Matt. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah. That is going to be used. Well, if I think about a friend here, I have the STL files for a quadcopter, and his favorite color is blue. Who knows? Maybe I can throw a stone in his garden. Who knows? Yes, but anyway, still waiting for other packages. Jesus. Ordered a lot of things last month, and well, let's just say yesterday I got one package that was 10 millimeter 50 centimeter long rod, 8 millimeter 1 meter long rod. That's something that I would need for my hypercube build, maybe 10 millimeter. I'll probably definitely the 8 millimeter. Well, let's just say I have that in reserve just because from the One How i3, the 8 millimeter rods that I have here, the longest ones are 38 millimeter, and I'm not sure if these are going to be long enough. The other ones that I have here, 4 of them, they are 32 centimeters long. This is 38 centimeters. But definitely I'm going to have to look for a new lead screw, because on the One How, these two here, they're only 29.5 centimeter long, and I'm not sure if that is going to be enough, because the hypercube that I want to build has a, well, let's just say from the web page funkydiver.com, I think that's the name of it, yeah, funkydiver.com. You can put in the information for a hypercube that you want to build. You can put in the size in the X, in the Y, and in the Z, and then if you need some extra room down below, for example, for the electronic, for the power supply and whatever, you can add extra millimeter height there too, and then put down your email address and you get an email within a couple of minutes, and it lists everything on that you need for the frame. And I ordered this so that I have a print volume from 200 by 200. That's the plate that I have from the One How. and a height from 300. That might be that I will have to get some Z screws, Z rods that are a bit longer than this one, or these two that are in here. Like I said, they're 29.5. And I think the Z screws that I'm going to be needing might have to be about 33 or 35 in the length. I'm not sure, but I'll check that out later. And anyway, it's just a short update from the information from the postage that I have right now. Anyway, as always, do hit the like button. You know, we all deserve a little bit of love. Hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber, do subscribe. Would be nice. But until then, I do wish you all happy printing. Have a nice day or evening. All depends on what time you look at this. And take care, y'all. Huh? Bye.